Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP on Trust Wallet. It's an easy process. All you have to do is simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you've selected this toggle, simply type in XRP. Now the BNB pegged XRP token is what we're looking at. So simply slide the toggle here and activate the token, click on it and simply select the swap option. For now, the buy option isn't currently available, so you're going to have to work with the swap. So simply click on the swap option that's here, click on swap XRP. Now you could simply swap your available BNB into the XRP by simply setting an amount you wish to use. So let's say $1 worth of the XRP. And all you need to do is simply click on preview swap, and you're taken to a tokens menu where you simply click on the confirm swap, and it's going to be processing, and after a while you have your XRP on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can buy XRP on Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.